Taking care of a computer is just as important as keeping your room tidy. Regular maintenance can really boost performance and help it last longer. Here are some easy habits to get into. First up, set a monthly maintenance schedule. Jot down important tasks like software updates, file backups, and hardware checks on a calendar. Using reminder apps can help keep everything on track. Next, don't forget about software updates. Turn on automatic updates to fix bugs and keep things secure. Regularly check your antivirus software to fend off any threats. Organizing files is a game changer too. A messy desktop can slow you down. Clear out unnecessary icons, group files into folders, and back up important stuff every month using an external drive or cloud storage. Security is key. Make sure you have good antivirus software, keep your firewall active, and learn to spot phishing attempts. Always be cautious with suspicious emails and links. To keep your computer running smoothly, clear out cache and temporary files regularly. Manage startup programs to speed up boot times, and keep an eye on system resources to see what might be slowing things down. Don't forget about hardware health. Clean out dust with compressed air and make sure there's good airflow to avoid overheating. Handle hardware gently to prevent any damage. If problems pop up, knowing how to troubleshoot can save a lot of hassle. A quick restart can fix minor glitches, but if issues persist, it might be time to call in the pros. Learning about computer maintenance is super helpful. Check out online tutorials at Omaha Computing Solutions, tech blogs, and community forums like Reddit for tips. Staying updated with tech trends can really boost your skills. Lastly, practice safe usage habits. Avoid eating near your computer, use surge protectors, and always shut down properly. Consider upgrading parts like RAM or SSDs for a nice performance boost. By following these simple steps, a computer can run smoothly and efficiently, making everything a lot easier. Start these habits today for a happier, healthier computer. If you get stuck, please consider using Omaha Computing Solutions for any of your computer maintenance needs. They have a team of experts that can take care of any computer issue.